welcome to another Online Business Realm video. Don't forget to click subscribe to stay up to date with everything we have going on here at the channel. So today, as you guys know, is Freedom Friday, where we look at ways that you can possibly quit your job and become an online entrepreneur. So today we're going to be looking at something that some people might consider to be the internet's dirty little secret, which is the topic of outsourcing. So this is Upwork.com. It is an outsourcing website. It is the giant of outsourcing now. There used to be several, Odesk.com, Freelancer.com. There used to be several, but they kind of all merged into Upwork. And Upwork is a wonderful website. And a lot of times, if you've ever had internet work done yourself, there's a good chance whoever was doing that work for you went to this website to get it done. You can get things done here for insanely cheap prices. A lot of it comes from workers overseas working for less than American minimum wage, I guess you could say. So let's take a look at this website and let's see how we can post a job on here to increase our income. So I'm going to go ahead and sign into my account here. Now, it's important to note that there are two different kinds of accounts. There is the freelancer account in which you can go in and log in and compete for jobs. That's this account right here. Or you can be a client where you get jobs done. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to show you from a client perspective how you can go onto this website and you can hire a worker for very cheap to do something that not only do you not want to do yourself, but you may not even know how to do yourself. So let's just suppose that you had sold a website to someone. You have learned how to create websites by watching our channel, and you want to start a web design business. And what you find is a lot of your customers want SEO and marketing package on top of it, but let's just say you don't know how to do that. Well, you certainly don't want to turn down the work if these people are looking for someone and they're looking at you as kind of the all-knowing, wise internet consultant, which web design clients tend to do. You can just come on here and find someone to do the job for you. So the average going rate is about between $500 and $1,000 per month minimum. All right, so we're just going to type in here what we need, SEO, and there it is, search engine optimization. And let's create a title. So we're going to say it like this, so we'll probably get more people applying because by using the word partner, it makes it look like this is going to be a ongoing job, which it would be. So we are going to pick really all of these, but it will only let us pick one here. So when you're looking for SEO, you're going to want to either do this first selection here or the last one. Search engine research, it's not really that important. Let me rephrase that. It is very important, but in terms of these other two things, I mean, you're generally going to know for a website you build what their keywords are going to be. So if you've just done a website for a local bakery, then you can just imagine the keywords you'll use. You don't have to get too technical with it. So we'll just leave it at that. Click next. Now we're going to do a new job post. Okay, so now we'll just type in what we need done. Now, I could go into a lot more detail, but just for time purposes, I'm not going to. We don't have any project files yet, so we're going to make this an ongoing project. You're going to get more responses that way. The freelancer will be SEO specialist. You really just want one person at a time. You want to kind of feel them out, see if they're good for something like SEO. For other jobs, you may need multiple people, but for most things, I would assume you probably just want one. You want freelancers in any location. That's going to give you a better selection to choose from, especially where in terms of price. And, just hit yes on this. Don't ever hit no. It makes people be more skeptical. If you built websites, you kind of have a general feeling for what you're looking for in SEO. So we're going to click yes. It already has all of our keywords here added in. And so we're going to pay a fixed price, and we'll just bid it at, let's say, $100 per month. So we'll click desired experience. Let's go with entry level. The intermediate and experts will be able to apply also if they would like to, but for $100, you're probably not going to get that. Of course, you want people using a search engine to be able to find this. We don't have anyone specific or any qualifications we're necessarily looking for. You can add a few questions here. I would suggest adding this question. That may not be grammatically correct, but here's the reason for that question. The reason for that question is the number one problem you're going to have when you are dealing with people who work overseas is just communication problems. They're all great workers. They generally do incredible work. But the most important thing is to find one who knows how to speak English fluently and is also able to just generally communicate with you via email, and you guys are on the same page. So that's very important. So we don't want to worry about this. They're going to charge us for that. We don't worry about that. And we're going to hit preview. And we're going to look at everything. I'm not going to actually post this job, because if I posted a job and didn't hire anybody, it kind of counts against my profile. So be prepared to hire someone when you're ready to post a job on here. So what we've done here is we've shown you how you can go on here and post a job. And I can assure you, off of this, I would probably get between 15 and 20 different applicants at least. And, from those, maybe 5 of them are good. And this is a good way that you can post a job on Upwork, outsource. You can do this with graphic design. You can do this with SEO. You can do this with logo design. You can do this with virtually anything. And this is a great way to become kind of a middleman and give yourself some leverage to be able to have some extra income and hopefully break free from your job if that's what you're looking to do. So thanks for watching the video. I hope you got something out of it. Don't forget to click subscribe and to see all the tips and tricks we have on Freedom Fridays and all the rest of our videos. And until next time, get out there and make some money.